Did you know that water can boil and freeze at the very same time? Yes, I know. That sounds completely fake, like something out of a science fiction movie. But believe it or not, it's a real phenomenon, and it's all thanks to physics. It feels impossible, but I promise the science behind it is solid. So, let's break down exactly how this mind-bending trick of nature works. This incredible state is called the triple point. The triple point isn't a place, but a very specific set of conditions, the exact temperature and pressure where water can exist as a solid, a liquid, and a gas, all in perfect harmony. We're talking about ice, liquid water, and water vapor coexisting in the same container at the same moment. It's a delicate dance where all three phases of water are in equilibrium. Imagine seeing ice cubes in a container of water that is simultaneously boiling away in the steam. It's not a magic trick. It's a fundamental property of matter. Under these unique conditions, you can literally watch ice melting into liquid, while that same liquid is boiling and turning into vapor. It's a chaotic, beautiful mess where melting, freezing, boiling, and condensation are all happening at once. It's a true physical state, just one we never encounter in our daily lives. So how do scientists actually achieve this? They don't just whip it up in a regular kitchen pot. This happens inside a special piece of equipment called a vacuum chamber. Inside the chamber, they carefully pump out almost all of the air to drastically lower the pressure. The pressure has to be incredibly low, about 0.6% of normal atmospheric pressure at sea level. At the same time, they control the temperature with extreme precision, chilling it down to just a tiny fraction of a degree above freezing, specifically 0.01 degrees Celsius, or 273.16 Kelvin. It's this perfect razor-thin combination of low pressure and specific temperature that unlocks the triple point. Once these conditions are met, the show begins. And what a show it is! If you were to look inside that chamber, you'd see something truly surreal. You'd see a block of ice sitting in water. But instead of just slowly melting, the surface of the water will be violently boiling, with bubbles erupting everywhere. It's a furious rolling boil, but it's happening at a temperature that's barely above freezing. So you have ice, which we associate with cold, coexisting with boiling, which we associate with intense heat. The ice is melting into the water is boiling into vapor, and some of that vapor is even depositing back onto the ice as frost. It's boiling and freezing in perfect synchronized chaos. It looks like it defies all logic, but what you're seeing is pure, unadulterated science in action. The reason this fact feels so fake is because it completely shatters our everyday understanding of the world. From the moment we're kids, we learn that water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100 degrees. We think of freezing and boiling as polar opposites, separated by a huge temperature gap. You put water in the freezer to make ice, and you put it on the stove to make steam. They are two separate processes that happen under completely different conditions. Our entire life experience tells us that you can't have both at once. The triple point is a powerful reminder that our intuition is based on a very limited set of circumstances, the comfortable atmospheric pressure we live in every day. But nature doesn't care about our intuition. It operates based on the fundamental laws of physics, specifically the laws of thermodynamics. These laws describe how energy, pressure, and temperature interact to determine the state of matter. The relationship between these variables is often shown on something called a phase diagram, which is like a map for matter. This map shows that for any substance, there are specific territories where it exists as a solid, a liquid, or a gas. The lines between these territories are where phase transitions happen. And right where those three territories meet, there's a single unique spot on the map, the triple point. It's a universal concept that applies not just to water, but to many other substances as well, from carbon dioxide to nitrogen. The triple point isn't just a cool party trick for physicists either. It has incredibly important practical applications. Because the triple point of water occurs at such a precise and unchangeable temperature and pressure, it serves as a fundamental reference point in science. Metrology labs, the places that define our standards of measurement, use triple point cells to calibrate thermometers with incredible accuracy. When you need a thermometer to be perfectly precise for a high-stakes scientific experiment, you calibrate it against the triple point of water. It's one of the cornerstones of the International Temperature Scale. So, this seemingly bizarre phenomenon is actually a pillar of modern physics and engineering, ensuring that our measurements are consistent and reliable all around the world. So, next time someone tells you something is impossible, just remember the triple point. Water really can boil and freeze at the exact same time. It's just one of the many mind-blowing realities that science reveals. If you enjoy learning about facts that feel fake but are totally real, make sure to subscribe for more amazing science content. Thanks for watching.